We have a master lock number 17. It was on a canoe for about 7-8 years, and we lost the key for it, so we opened it with a duckbill. And my son wants me to open a Chinese one, which we're going to demonstrate with the duckbill and see if we can pop it open. He says it's not worth very much. And here's the one that we're going to try to open. High security ledger. We have the keys for it. There it is, open. There it is, closed, and we'll put it on the grass out here and see if we can open it. Move back a little bit. It hasn't popped yet, but we still got room to go. If I can hit it. Yeah, I think we're hitting it the wrong way. Let me turn it. Do it this way. Hold it up there. Getting tired. I still don't know if it popped or not. Ground's not holding it very good, but we'll try a couple more legs. Dig it out and see if we got it open. Yeah, and it popped open. I don't know what hit it was, but we popped it open. Anyway, that's a demonstration of the duckbill. Open locks you've lost keys with, or they're rusted shut or whatever, and using a 5-pound sledgehammer. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.